Longaberger friends. How are you? It's Wednesday. How's your Wednesday going? How's your hump day going? I hope it's going great. I hope you have big weekend plans that you're looking forward to and that your week is working out magnificently. Well, this is Wednesday. That means it is Wednesday Wellness. And we always love it when we have a chance to spend a little bit of time with you on Wednesday to talk about wellness. So let's do that today. You know, when I think about wellness, and probably you think about wellness as well, the first thing that comes into mind for me is okay, physical wellness. We need to stay physically well. Absolutely. And I think we're trying to do that, right? We're trying to eat the right food, exercise when we can, sleep properly, just have a good attitude about life. So we're keeping ourselves physically well. And then there's also emotional wellness. And that's when I think you gravitate to people who are really kind and loving to you and edify you and make you feel great about yourself. And if you're going through a rough time, they're there to kind of pick you up. So there's emotional wellness that we like to think about too. But today, I want to ask you if you've ever considered something known as anticipatory happiness wellness. Anticipatory happiness wellness. That is when there's something that you're doing in your life that is so fun that each day, as that time gets closer and closer, you're anticipating how much fun it's going to be. And for a lot of you, it could be that as you have grown and developed in your own career, or now that the children have gone off to college, or now that you have time on your own, you've always kind of dreamed about owning your own business, kind of having your own little stake where you pick and choose what you do through the day and you get rewarded for that. So I'm a business owner. I started my business in 2010. It is full time. It's really, really full time. Sometimes it's more than full time, and it's a lot. Now, I enjoy it. I'm not complaining, but it's a lot, and it requires a lot of my time. If that is not what you're looking for, but you're looking to have like your own business, but you want it to be carved out for your time, what's best for you, how often you want to work it, how you want to work it, then I have a great suggestion for you. Listen up. I think you should become a Longaberger stylist. I said it. Longaberger stylist. Do you know about our stylist program? It's all located on this website, so you can just scroll down later and read all about it, but I'll kind of tell you what it is. If you love Longaberger, okay, and I do, and I have like a history with it, which I'll tell you about in just a second, but if you love Longaberger, you're probably already telling your girlfriends, your mom, your sister, those people in your social circle what you discovered at Longaberger. Maybe it was the beauty, maybe it was new baskets, the jewelry. You're like, oh my gosh, I love this line of product. Well, what we would like for you to do is literally represent this brand to all of your family and friends on your social platform, and we will help you. It's called a stylist program. So what happens is, as you take the opportunity to let people know about your love of Longaberger, you get rewarded back. And it's pretty substantial what the reward back can be. And then even beyond that, if you have a girlfriend or a best friend who says, hey girl, I want to be a stylist too, and you help her get involved, you're even greatly rewarded for that as well. So it's easy. And what I love about it the most is, as a full-time business owner, I appreciate the fact that here at Longaberger, you can be a stylist in as much time or as little time in the week that you would like. For example, if you're a stay-at-home mom and the kids don't go to sleep until 7:30 at night, and maybe from 8 o'clock to 8:30 is when you do your Longaberger kind of visiting with your friends about your love of this brand, that's perfect. If you're a retired lady and you finally have found, you know what, I've got a little bit of time on my hands, what am I doing with myself? And you want to kind of be a part of this new revolutionary way of shopping and sharing and celebrating and being community, and you don't want to be left behind, you want to know what's happening in technology and how people are really getting together these days, this could be perfect for you. If you're a person who just works part-time and you have the weekends free and you're like, I'd like to do something, this could be a wonderful opportunity for you. And here's what I love about it the most. The products that you will be sharing with your family and friend, you already know this if you're watching this, they are phenomenal. Hands down, phenomenal quality. So you will feel so proud if you take the opportunity to sign up, become a stylist, and let us support you and get really greatly rewarded as a result of that. So you just fill out the instruction sheet. It's here on the website, and then somebody will be right back in touch with you very quickly to get you started. But there's no hassle. I don't want you to think that there's some sort of time commitment that you're having to promise up front. No, nothing like that. It's simply our opportunity for you to come join us to represent a wonderful brand and share that information with your closest circle of friends. You know, I told you that I've known about Longaberger all my life. Here's why. My mother is a basket fiend. She is obsessed with baskets. Always has been, probably always will be. And her favorite brand, hands down, was Longaberger baskets. I remember this as a little kid. I'm like, Ma, why do you love these baskets so much? She said, because they last forever. And they were everywhere in our house. They were where she put the washcloths and the towels. The letters went in there, keys, change went in there. If we ever went on a picnic, that's where the silverware went. She would go to the library every week that she would pack up her library books in her Longaberger basket, and off she would go to take them back and get some new ones and bring them back home. And I remember my mother, and people thought she was called the basket lady. I said, Mom, as long as they don't call you the basket case, basket lady's okay. So she was known as the basket lady in our neighborhood. And I remember my mother would tell these other gals about baskets and Longaberger baskets in specific. And she was just so excited because she's like, we love these. I use them for everything. They last forever, blah, blah, blah. And then her friends would try to go and get themselves one. So that's basically what this is. I mean, for example, if I had a great restaurant experience last night, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm pick up my phone, call my sister. Girl, you're not gonna believe where I went last night. We're going. I'm gonna book the reservation. Come on. Because when you love something, you want to share your love of that with others. That's all the stylist program is. And it couldn't be more simple. So please, if you have hungered for that next level of, I'm going to use the word independence, then this could be a great opportunity for you. Now, I know one of the stylists who has been doing it for not a long period of time, but she said, Lisa, I now look forward to that in my week. So she just carves out one day because she's busy, she works. She carves out kind of like one day, not the whole day, but like half of the day to kind of go through how she wants to do her promotion of which items and how she wants it to look and that sort of thing. And she said, I look forward to that day now because it's kind of like my time. It's kind of my time. And then I get rewarded as a result of it. So I love the idea that it is literally tailor made for exactly whatever you want it to be. As much time as you want to invest, or as little time as you want to invest, that becomes completely up to you. But let me tell you something, the rewards are real. And the satisfaction of being a part of this community is also very, very real. This is where we are in technology today, and it's so great that we can so easily reach out and be a part of a community and honestly not have to leave our house to do it. When you really think about it, it couldn't be better. It couldn't be more easy. And it is so much darn fun. It's just call it what it is. It is fun. So if you are looking on this Wellness Wednesday to grab on some anticipatory happiness wellness, to have something new to look forward to in your life, kind of innovative, take you out of the box a little bit. Maybe it's time to step out of that box. Then I think what you should do is sign up to be a Longaberger stylist. And why don't you do it, right now? Right now is a great time. Just get signed up. So much fun. I hope you will. And in the meantime, I hope your hump day is great and that the rest of the week is even better. And thanks for a few minutes of your time. And I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your week. Bye for now.